Oliver packed 640 cubes of edge 4 cm into a container measuring 64 cm by 32 cm by 24 cm. Then he packed the maximum number of 2 cm cubes into the remaining empty space of the container. How many cubes did he pack into the container in all? So we know that Oliver has a total of 640 cubes and their edge is actually 4 cm into the container, which is 64 cm by 32 cm by 24 cm. So if we were to draw the container, it will look something like that. So it is actually 64 cm by 32 cm by 24 cm. So in order to find the number of cubes that can be fit in, or the amount of space that is left, we need to actually use 64 cm for this part. It would be 64 divided by 4. And we will get 16. Which means that there will be a total of 16 cubes in all. So I can't draw it exactly, so it's just a rough guide. While over here would be 32 divided by 4, and we can fit a maximum of 8 cubes here. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, again I can't draw everything. And to fit it into here, I can fit a total of 24 divided by 4, which gives me 6. So in terms of the height, I can fit a total of 6 with no space in between. So in total, the container can actually fit a total of 6 times 8 times 16 cubes. And I will get 768, which means that the container can fit a maximum of 768 4 cm cubes maximum. But then Oliver has only 640 cubes, so the next part would be using 640 cubes must be minus off from 768, so I use 768 minus 640 cubes, and I will get 128 cubes, which means that there's more space to put in 128 4 cm cubes. Now, but the question is asking us how he packed the maximum number of 2 cm cubes into the remaining empty space. So if you look at the 4 cm cube, which is, let's draw it like that. If this is a 4 cm by 4 cm by 4 cm cube, it can actually fit a total of, I can actually cut it further. I can cut it into half, and I cut this. Okay. So in total, a 4 cm cube can actually be, okay, 4 divided by 2, I'll get 2. So a 4 cm cube can fit in a total of 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 2 cm cube. So if there's enough space for me to fit in 128 4 cm cube, and every 4 cm cube I can fit in 8 2 cm cube, to find the number of cubes, 2 cm cubes that she can fit in, I'll just need to use 128 times 8 to find the number of 2 cm cubes that can be fit into the empty space, which is 1024. Now the question is asking how many cubes did he pack into the container. So they are not asking for any 4 cm or 2 cm cubes, but the total. So the total would be the original 640 and then plus the additional 1024 2 cm cube. So I will get 1664.